Meaning of etch.
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 Etch. The word etch has multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. However, in general, etch refers to a process of using a corrosive substance, such as acid, to make designs or marks on a surface. This can be done on various materials including metal, glass, and even stone. The result of etching is a pattern or design that is etched into the surface of the material, usually creating a contrast between the etched and non-etched areas. Etching is commonly used in art, industrial processes, and manufacturing.